Hey everyone, Tyler from Royal Painting here, and we are working on a small exterior project. We're going to be repainting the trim on this townhouse here in North Baltimore. And let me show you guys something about what we got going on here. Now you can see this trim is in pretty bad shape. It's kind of been let to go and do its own thing. And the reason this happens is because after a while, your paint is going to wear down. And so that's why it's really important to continue to paint your house, your trim, various wood trim work like this at least every 7 years or so. You should be thinking about this project. Otherwise, you can have a really big problem on your hands, and the project's going to be significantly more expensive than it would have been if you kept up with the maintenance. Another problem with this project, we can see the wood is straight down to bare wood. It doesn't look like it was primed in the first place. So that's another thing you really want to pay attention to, because the last thing you want to do is have your paint peeling off in just a couple years. A properly done paint project can last 7 to 10 years. So you really save yourself a lot of trouble